Hello everyone, welcome to Shady AI. What is this platform? It's a platform where we can use AI to research intelligently. Clearly it acts as an assistant, providing sources for the information it gives us. If we want to verify more than the AI has, we can do that. Here are some examples they provide. The text will include citations, and the AI will autocomplete our findings. We can chat to research and generate info from our own docs, creating custom sources. It has dark mode, supports 30 languages, and offers over 1700 citation styles. So just click Start Writing, it's free, and then continue with Google. And of course, you'll find the app link in the description. Let's get started. Alright, how does JENNI.ai work? How can we use this tool? Okay, so to start, we'll first go to the Documents section, right? As you can see, if we click on Start with a Prompt, it'll ask what we're writing today. Let's put, for example, sound effects in video games, okay? It says it's an average prompt using FM mode and Unity. Here we can ask it what we want it to generate. We can have it generate a blank template, okay? We can ask for standard headings, right? Like an intro method results to have a basic structure to start with. Or we can have it generate everything, okay? Let's have it generate everything. We'll click Start Writing. Generally, this isn't recommended, okay? Professionals don't usually suggest this approach. They recommend creating the headings yourself first. But it's fine, we can do it later, so no big deal. Now I'll show you how to do it. Here it tells us about the impact of sound effects in the video game industry. As an intro, it gives us all this data. As you can see, I can accept it by pressing enter or try again. Oh, sorry, not enter, the right arrow. And then it'll start creating the information, okay? As you can see, it's citing the sources, right? If I click here and hit view, I get info on VR, virtual reality, and more. So we'll keep accepting until we think it's enough. Then we move to this section and hit accept. What's the cool part? Cool part is, I guess, let's say we want to add a heading in the introduction, okay? This would be heading, let's see, I'll check, okay? This would be heading 2, alright? Heading 1 would be this one. This goes with the title type, got it? This would be title number 1, now we have title number 2, and we're going to add a subtitle to title number 2, okay? A title 3, and there we have it, right? The evolution of sound design, okay? Again, we can do this manually and just use AI to help us out. As you can see, for the reference, we need the pricing, okay? There we have all those styles they mentioned. We even have the APA format there. And that's what this tool is all about, okay? Doing our research, adding to it, and maybe selecting some information, okay? I select this info here and say, hey, add quotes, okay? Quote it for me. And that's without needing to. Here we can select quotes, as you can see, for example, or we can select content and edit it with AI, okay? To improve fluency, okay? We tell it to replace it. We can also have it paraphrase, okay? Explain more academically, simplify, make it longer, or translate. We can make it summarize or write a counter argument. So these are the possibilities this tool offers us, okay? Alright, we're in JENNI.ai and I'll explain how to upload our content for AI to cite. This is one of the really cool features. Google's LM node does this too, but it doesn't let us write, just ask questions. We can only ask questions based on our sources, then copy and paste here. But we don't have an AI editor that corrects us as we go. So how do we do it? Simply click on Library, and you'll see we can upload PDF. Click Import, upload up to 10 PDF, and as you can see, JENNI, the AI, will automatically cite your libraries or resources as you write. It's that easy. On the other hand, we can also use the AI chat, another tool available within the code editor itself. We have AI chat here on the right side. By the way, you can switch to dark mode here. Basically, we can ask it to research things for us. For instance, in the document I just uploaded to the library, we can ask it to find specific information. It suggests reviewing the document for technical terms and proposing clearer, more accessible alternatives. So you ask this, and it might say, okay, for player experiences, which I use here instead of player expectations, it suggests using player immersion or emotional response, and so on. It also corrects immersion and offers various words that could be improved. But since I asked about this, I could really ask it anything. Ultimately, what we have here is an AI reasoning tool that we can use for whatever we want. So we're finally going to look at this tool's payment plan. It lets us do a lot for free, but there are paid options too. Monthly, it's 22 euros, or annually, save 60% at just $9 a month. You'll find the tool link in the description below. Let's quickly review it before judging if it's worth it. JENNI AI works great, pulling data from many sources. It's a co-pilot, not meant to do everything for us. The creators even default to blank documents when you click Create Document. There are lots of settings, including auto citation. The AI can also autocomplete within documents with your approval. There's an option to show autocomplete suggestion. If we want a document prompt, We can choose the citation style we prefer. It's tailored for academic and professional writing. For research papers, information gathering, and studying, it's truly an excellent tool. I'm impressed by how it enhances user input with AI-powered auto-completion. The AI can identify our context and seamlessly complement our writing. It avoids repetition and maintains coherence throughout the document. We get limited AI generations but unlimited chat, citations, and sources. This is where it really shines, in my opinion. Yes, it's true that AI-generated content is important, obviously. Chat messages are important, but having a library, being able to upload unlimited documents and sources, that's where the key lies for me. It's true that more sources don't necessarily make your project better. They need to be quality sources, but imagine having 100 high quality sources and writing with those at your disposal. What you'll produce will be pure gold, absolute quality. So I'd recommend this tool if you're in the field, absolutely. If it's your profession, definitely. Or even if you're a student aiming for top-notch projects, it's a great option too. The cost is just $8 or $20 a month in exchange for ensuring good work and research. I believe the time you'll save searching for information, AI definitely saves you that. If it saves you an hour or two, you've already earned back the cost, depending on your rate. It's a great tool, and I definitely recommend it. So, that's all. See you.